creativity, a Jamaica style, you know. Guys, what's up? We're in Kingston, we're on the delivery trail. We're going to pick up the artists. Tell your name again? Toby and Walters. Anne-Marie Watkin Walters. She what? She artist too. Big up all of the artists. All the artists in Jamaica, salute on yourself, big up on yourself. You know, keep the culture, you know, keep the thing going. As we said, we're there here on the delivery trail, delivering some packages. You know where your friendly shipping company, and you can ship your items from overseas. We bring them to Jamaica, get them delivered to you, to your doorstep, right? Style and comfort, understand? Especially in these times, we want to make sure everybody's safe, everybody stay in. If you can stay in, you don't need to come on the road. We bring the package them, come give you, alright? So, we have a link, click on the link, join us today. You see the phone number for the artist, link up the artist, right? Get your draft board, your load the board, get your painting. We like the Bob Marley stuff there, go check it out. Alright guys, so pick up yourself. Catch you later. Remember, click on the link.